स्वच्छता पखवाडा अंतर्गत साखळे नितळसाण मोहीम आयोजित केली। भारत सरकारान हो उपक्रम 16 ते 31 डिसेंबर मजगती पुराय देशान आयोजित केला। या मोहिमे अंतर्गत दिवचले कार्यावळ जाली। RDX को खातीर दिवचलेच्यान चंदू मांद्रेकार।
The Government of India Ministry of Mines has given direction to observe this Pakhwada, Swachhata Pakhwada in the mining sector. And on this occasion, the Government of India has given instructions that in all the sectors of society, the Swachh Bharat initiatives has to be taken. And in this direction, the Ministry of Mines, Government of India, in association with the respective state governments, has directed to observe the Swachhata Pakhwada from 15 to 16 to 31st December.
Our objective is very clear that in whichever communities we operate, we will try to improve the quality of life of the individuals there. We will try to make a positive impact in the society, be it in terms of environment, be it in terms of well-being of the society, be it in terms of all the other things which are necessary for the society. So already as a company we have committed that we will take at least one particular village as a target and make it 100% open defecation free.
That as far as Pishotten Municipal Council is concerned, we are taking all the team interest to clean the city very clean and make the city very clean.
Provision of toilets, that's our agenda. More roughly we have chalked out a program wherein we said that at least one village from a taluka we want to take up, and we want to see that 100% toilets are provided to each household. So it will be around 6 villages within the Goa state wherein we will focus and we will try to achieve this objective that in that particular village there are 100% toilets in each household, and that target we have fixed by March, that is this year end. Once we complete this target, we want to go to the areas which are affected by transportation of mining activities. We want to cover those areas. So we have got a broad plan wherein society's need will be taken into account, so that the overall sanitation, overall environmental aspects are taken care of, and we have sustainable development across the mining belt and peripheries affected by mining transport.